Part number 6. This is the S&M pivotal seat. This is the stealth seat. Pivotal. Look at that. Nice suede. Got the S&M badge on there. But look, there's no hole for the pivotal, for the Allen key to go through the seat. That's why they call it stealth, guys. It's underneath. It's underneath. Somewhere underneath here there it is. Well, it's under there somewhere, but you tighten it from underneath the seat, not from the top like the normal pivotal seats. I should have took this paper off, but yeah. So it's nice and smooth. Nice little saddle right there, guys. American made S&M pivotal seat, stealth mode. Yes, sir. Loving it. Loving it. Blacking out everything on the bike. Yes, sir.